Our family has dreamed of living in the mountains for a really long time. Aspen and Snowmass are in the same valley, the Roaring Fork Valley. When I first saw the house, I was like, Monogram. With our base palette being fairly neutral, Monogram is bringing in the drama. The lighting that's on the range for the knobs, then I was like, what is that? That is amazing.
Monogram had that beautiful brass hood available. It pulls in the accents of the knobs on the range.
It's the little details. Inside the refrigerator, it's a pitcher, and the pitcher fills itself up. It seems like a small thing, but that's such a big deal. Everything we do is for the love of home. Now that we live there, I really do feel like we've brought that Wanderlust home.